Today we are going to know about the newly launched weird device which is fully integrated with artificial intelligence and that can make calls, send messages for you and many more. And you can able to pack a lot of technology into a small device. So here is the new AI pin powered by Humane. Watch the video till end. Comment down below if you want to know about this type of weird devices. Before going in, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It does not require any wake-up words like "Hey Google," "Hey Siri," like that. So don't need to worry about it is always listening to you and always recording your speeches. So if you want to interact with this through touch, voice, gestures and also with laser ink display, I will talk about this later. Currently it was available in US only. It comes with its own connectivity called Humane network, which is connected by T-Mobile. It has 13 megapixel ultra-wide camera, speaker, trust light, which indicates that it is taking input from you while you are giving. And a small projector inside also. It does not require any apps on your phone. It runs on Humane OS, which runs the artificial intelligence experiences that are in on-device and in the cloud also. Coming to the laser ink display, technically it does not have any display to see and control. But with the help of the projector, it projects the display on your palm only. You can control it by your hand movement only. If you want to tap any content on the screen that is projecting, just double tap your fingers. And if you want to go home, just close your finger. And you can also ask questions that AI will search around the web and answer for you. Have a look on this.
Like, when is the next eclipse and where is the best place to see it?
The next total solar eclipse will occur on April 8th, 2024. One of the best places to see it is Nazas, Durango, Mexico.
You can also send messages through voice inputs or with the laser ink display.
Tell Andrew I'll be there later tonight.
Your message to Andrew says I'll be there later tonight. Okay to send?
It can also summarize all your messages and list some important ones also for you.
Catch me up.
Yanir asked if you want to get hook fish with Sam this week. Michelle sent some notes about today's design sync.
With this AI, you can also search for your messages through voice controls or the voice commands.
What's the gate code that Andrew sent me?
The gate code that Andrew sent is 736.
You can also make a phone calls with this AI pin as I mentioned earlier.
Call Yanir.
This AI pin itself helps as a real-time translator between two persons.
Estamos casi listos para enviar la versión final.
We are almost ready to ship the final version.
If you want to capture a movement that you are seeing, just double tap with your two fingers or say capture. The interesting thing here is you can also able to make online shopping with this AI pin.
How much is this online?
This is $28 online.
Great. Buy it.
Lastly, coming to the pricing, they are selling this at around $699 in the US, but I think it is overpriced. What is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you loved the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye now.